Hey guys, welcome into the channel. I got a surprise for you today. We're gonna solve a personal problem of mine. It's not gonna be weird, I promise. We'll keep it legit, we'll keep it G-rated, but how many of you guys out there are power sports enthusiasts? You've got your tie-down straps. We love Max tie-downs. I've got a bag full of them right here. And the product that I'm gonna show you is something that we got from Max tie-downs. I will put links and codes in the description for you guys. You're gonna wanna make sure that you check that out. I have a personal problem, okay? Back to me. So here we go. This is my trailer, and this is my little utility box that I keep in my trailer. And I've got a bunch of straps in here. They're not Max straps. That's why I abuse them, because they're just junk straps. But this is a real mess, right? And any of you guys that have, like I said, power sports equipment, anything that you need tie-down straps for. I've got a golf car on the back, I've got it tied down. I must not like this golf car much because I didn't use Max straps on it. But this is our problem solver. This is gonna solve a personal problem for me, as well as for a lot of you guys. This is a strap holder. So here's how this works. Let me show you. I've got a couple of, now if you buy Max straps, usually, one of the great things about Max straps is that they're well thought out. They give you the little bags to put the stuff in. They come with Velcro to cinch the straps up when you're done and keep them all nice and neat. But let's say for whatever reason you would not buy Max straps. I don't know why you would not, but if you're gonna be weird and not buy Max straps, okay. So here's how these strap holders work. You've got multiple size holes at the top. This thing is designed to be mounted on a wall in your shop, in your garage, or if you have an enclosed trailer with a wall, you can mount it there too. If you've got an RV with a toy hauler in the back, this will work nicely in the back of that. There's a lot of options here. And you're just gonna hook the strap on, and then you can take the other end of the strap, right? Hang this thing up on the wall, and boom. And now, this thing is not getting tangled up. It's nice and tidy, but wait, there's more. So let's say that you have some of the axle hooks that you get. They look like this, right? I'll show you the back of that one, that some of you guys use with the heavier duty stuff, right? So if it's not a motorcycle, if it's maybe a golf car or a car or something, you'll get these and they'll go around a secure point on the vehicle. If you look on the side, they've thought of that because they're Max and they think of cool things. And we love these guys, and this is just yet another reason why. I'm pretty sure this is aluminum, just like everything else that they make. It's really well built. It's definitely something that I would have in my trailer, in my shop. I will have it in my trailer. You can't have mine. But if you guys are interested in having one of these, make sure you check the description. We will put the discount code in there for you, as well as the link to the product. Or you can go over to our website, which is partscounterguru.com. Click on the show specials tab where we've got all of our stuff listed, including Max. And you can take it from there. Thank you guys for watching. This is Keith, who did this in one take, by the way, maybe the first time ever. See you guys on the next one.